I do think that there is a huge potential for this market in Vietnam. From what we see all over the world happening in Europe, happening in the US, how big is the market over there, and we see that Asia is just making the first steps, but I believe with all the people who are now into the studies of artwork and design and garments production, they will make a difference in a few years from now. And this industry does have a huge potential. A lot of things are becoming digital right now, so I do trust that people will get more and more involved here as we all digitalize in this world.
So about the future of the DTG, and I think the trend is very good and the future is very good because more and more people now is looking for a very unique design, and they like to customize their own design, and their DTG can provide a very short production cycle. You can see within the 10 minutes you can finish the all prints and deliver to the customers.
Okay, what do you expect for the workshop?
In my opinion, this workshop is really useful. That it gives more experience for the student about the industry, about the techniques, and then we can know truthfully how it works and how we can use for our garments.